And welcome to another video and a very, at the moment, sunny day here in beautiful Biddulph Moor. It is Saturday the 18th of April 2026 and this is the Foxhound, I believe, pub, and there is a meeting for the Rolling Thunder tractor run.
Capturing moments, creating memories, and welcome to our channel.
Tractors are arriving at 10:30 and leaving at 11:30. Charging £10 per tractor, £5 per passenger, and all proceeds are going to Horton Lodge Community Special School. There's going to be bouncy castles, food, all going on till 7 p.m. tonight. Come down, support these guys. Here we go, somewhere I've never been in my life, the Foxhound here at Biddulph Moor. What a beautiful morning so far. So yeah, this is the Foxhound here at Biddulph Moor, somewhere I've never ever been before. And the tractors are starting to arrive. And I know you guys love a tractor run. Absolutely beautiful, love this one. McCormick International. And normally I'm used to having tractor runs at Christmas time. Well, this is going to be kind of cool. So I think this one's running from Biddulph Moor up to Winkle and all around. Quite a nice little boozer, this one as well. Some nice tables to sit out on. And looking at that fabulous view. Look at that. There we go, guys. Biddle Moor, Rolling Thunder. So open tonight until about 7 p.m, guys. Is street where Greek meets the street. Come and support these guys. Going to about 11 o'clock now, and quite a few people arriving on this beautiful day. It's chilly, it's windy, and there's a fabulous view there. Look at that. Jodrell Bank. Pretty clear. I was just talking to the guys there. They reckon maybe about 30 tractors today, so that's a pretty good turnout. We've got a few more tractors ready to go up there. We're just waiting for the tractors. So this is the community hall, and you've got a huge park area here and a beautiful playground for the kids. Absolutely awesome. And again, the fabulous views. Always good to explore somewhere new. Never knew this place existed there. So they've got like a basketball court. Nice little table and chairs there. And just look at the grassland areas. Right here in beautiful Biddulph Moor. Community orchard here at Biddulph Moor. Founded in January 2021. It's a cracking table there with fabulous views, and of course the Foxhound, where the tractors are going from today, is right there in front of us. And there we go, that was Hot Scotch Park. We've got another tractor, well, two tractors actually arriving. They're all heading this way. We're about 10 minutes away, guys. We are getting super excited. Look at that one. That one's pretty awesome. And that one looks as though, yeah, he's going to back in. It's going to get pretty noisy soon. Can't wait. How quickly the weather changes up here at Biddulph Moor. It's gone absolutely freezing now. But still looking forward to this amazing event. Right then, guys, it's dead on 11:30. They're going to be starting pretty soon. Who's ready for Rolling Thunder Biddle Moor? So everyone's heading this way, ready for the tractors to come out. Here we go, guys, the tractors are starting to come. Right, it looks as though they are rolling. Let's just do a bit of an 8x zoom at the moment to give you guys that perfect shot. Look at this is fabulous. and all for charity, guys. Make sure you check them out on the Facebook page. Look at that one. It is seriously noisy. This one's called Matt. Give us a wave, Matt. How cool is this, guys? Here in beautiful Biddulph Moor. I can smell the tractors, I can hear the tractors, they're all giving us a wave. So glad that I'm bringing this content to you guys again. Here from beautiful Biddulph Moor. Look at that one, I like that one. Alright, let's just do a bit of a zoom in there as the rest of them pass. Look at that. Give them all a big thumbs up, guys, come on. Let's have a look at that one, look at that, beautiful. Loving them, absolutely loving them. Can't beat a good old tractor run, can you? Look at the smoke on that one. Wow, look at that. Absolutely awesome. So again, yeah, check out the Facebook page for them, guys. And they will be back at the pub. And there's going to be plenty going on, bouncy castles, raffles, and of course, all the food. I hope you've enjoyed that. Give me a big thumbs up, drop me some comments, subscribe to the channel, give us a hype, and of course, give Nick a big paws up. See you on the next one.